In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust line spacing in Outlook emails. This is a quick and simple formatting trick that can make your emails easier to read and more professional looking. Whether you're writing business emails, newsletters, or just want better formatting control, adjusting line spacing can really improve the appearance of your messages. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook and start composing a new email or reply to an existing message. Once your message window is open, type your email content, or if you already have text in your message, we'll format that. Now, highlight the text you want to format. Click and drag your mouse over the text to select it. You can select a single paragraph, multiple paragraphs, or all the text in your email, depending on what you want to adjust. Next, go to the Format Text tab. In the message window, make sure the Format Text tab is active at the top of the screen. This is where all your text formatting options live. Now find the spacing icon. Look in the paragraph group on the ribbon. You'll see an icon with up and down arrows. This is the line and paragraph spacing button. Click on it to open the spacing menu. From the drop-down menu, choose your desired spacing. You'll see options like 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, and 2.0. 1.0 gives you single spacing, while 2.0 gives you double spacing. Select the option that works best for your email. As soon as you select a spacing option, it will be immediately reflected in the message body. You'll see your text adjust in real time, so you can preview how it looks before sending. If you don't like the spacing, just go back and select a different option. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted line spacing in your Outlook emails. This simple formatting change can make a big difference in how your emails are received and read. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.